Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record your screen with the Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. First, open the Snipping Tool from the Start menu by searching for Snipping Tool. Once the app opens, click the Record option at the top of the window. Now click the New button. Your screen will dim and you can select the area that you want to record. Click and drag to choose the recording area. After selecting the area, click the Start button. The screen recording will begin after a short countdown. You can now record anything on your screen, such as opening apps, browsing files, or demonstrating a tutorial. When you are finished, click the Stop button on the recording toolbar. The recorded video will open automatically in the Snipping Tool. Click the Play button to preview your recording. To save the video, click the Save icon, choose a folder, enter a file name, and click Save. Your screen recording will be saved as a video file on your computer. That's how to record your screen with the Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials.